I had no clue that charging my phone 7 years ago would bring me to you, the most incredible man, partner, and best friend. You are kind, funny, and your charm is contagious. You understand and embrace me for who I am, which is around 60% emotional, 20% dramatic, and 20% crazy. As we travel together on this adventure, I promise to listen and constantly consider your feelings and opinions.
I promise to keep myself open to you, to let you see through the windows of my world into my innermost fears and feelings. You don't have to be you don't have to keep fighting.
I swear to love and adore you above all others for as long as we both live.
You don't have to keep fighting.
I completely and forever love you. I promise. Good Emelyn.